Capoeira flow.
This is the bridge exercise. You're gonna go as far as you can on the bridge and then go up and down. Make sure it doesn't hurt or you don't feel any discomfort when you're doing this. And you can keep practicing and improving by doing repetition. If you cannot do the bridge yet, I'm gonna show some basic exercise. You can build it up and practice until you'll be able to get more flexibility on your back. So you can just bringing the hip down, extending the back, and then bringing back up slowly again. Repeat as many times as you want. When you're comfortable with this, you can start to do dive bridge slowly and short ones, nice and comfortable. And the more you practice, the more strength and flexibility you can increase the movement and the speed until it feels natural. And please don't carry on doing it if you feel in discomfort.